Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I have some exciting news for those of you who use Cricut Design Space on your iOS device. If you go to the App Store, search Cricut Design Space, and bring up the app, you will probably see an option that says Update right here. It'll look something like this. Go ahead and update to the most current software. Now, you may have to update a couple times, but get it to the most current. The reason you might have to update a couple times is if you don't do your updates regularly, you may have to come and do that. So I clicked the button and let it update, and now I'm going to open it. And guess what? First off, there's scheduled maintenance coming up, so I'm going to close that out. And secondly, we have a new feature that you've all wanted. Watch this. If I tap on my text and I come down here to edit and I scroll over, guess what? Offset. We're going to tap offset and watch this. Now, I want to show you this because the first time you open it, it's going to look like this. This is the offset, but the offsets aren't welded, okay? So if you'll come down here and you'll just turn on the toggle button that says weld offsets, that gives you that full offset. That's typically what we want this for. And look, you can change the size by moving this little toggle. You can make it bigger. You can make it super big, either way you want to do it. Right? It's pretty cool. I'm gonna put that back to kind of where we were, where those will blend together. And now I can say done and watch what happens. It gives me the offset just like in the laptop or in your computer version. So I'm gonna tap off and I wanna show you. What we have here is two pieces, just like we do when we're using it on our computer or our laptop. So that is the new feature. You now have offset in the iOS devices, and I couldn't be happier. I hope you guys enjoy.